So we're going to convert 12 tons to pounds. So we're starting with what we know, which is 12 tons, and we're converting it to pounds. So what we know goes on top, so 12 tons, and we always put it over 1. Our goal is to get tons on the bottom to cross off tons over here. So that's our goal. So we have to figure out a conversion in hopes that tons goes to pounds. If not, let's look at our chart. So 1 ton is 12,000 pounds. So 1 ton goes on the bottom is 2,000 pounds. LB is. So I can cross off now my tons, cross off tons. So now all I have left is pounds. That's all that's left there, pounds. So now I have to sit here and go, okay, 12 times 2,000 to get my answer here. So we'll multiply that out. So there's my 2,000. And then we're going to times it by 12. So we do 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, so before we start, let me order this. So the 2 gets crossed off, and now that the 2 is crossed off, I have to put a 0 below. So 0 goes below. I do 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 0 is 0. And then 1 times 2 is 2. So now we have to add those up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 0 is 4. Whoops, we don't need that. We need a 4. And then we have the 2 that gets brought down. So the answer for 12 times 2,000 is 24,000. And then it's over 1. So our answer is 24,000 pounds. And that's your answer. And I'll not have that there for you, so you don't have to put that in. All right, so that is practice for today.